So I think we are pretty good going in this last two videos. In the first video we have added this guy, and the second video we have controlled it using some animations and toggles, radio buttons and stuff. But now I'm tired of this animation, right? You guys are too, right? We are just seeing him running and running and running like for so long. Okay, so I think it's time to do it something like, let's make him jump, let's make him dance, let's make him roar and everything, right? It's gonna be awesome, right? That way. So for that we have some prerequisite for it. You have to have a model with the animation in it. So if you get the proper GLB file from some store, you'll get that, and you have to know the keys for the animation names, right? So these are the prerequisites. I will explain what is exactly is. So basically what animation key would be this key. This refers to this exact string refers to the animation of this model. Okay, so when I say a model the SK Huggy crouch walk Huggy, that means it will crouch walk because it is programmed in the GLB file. You can't change that from Flutter, right? So you remember that you cannot change it from the Flutter. You have to get the model which will do such things with here. Okay, so I think that would be great. Okay, so this is it for this, and the basic thing, just remember it as an identifier or a name for an animation, unique name which is be used to tell the AI like animation to do certain stuff. Okay, and they are all pre-programmed. It is not like if you just change crouch walk to jump walk it will do the jump walk. It is pre-programmed that at this key do this, right? It's basically that much. Okay, so we have so many animation pre-written, so you have to do this part. I will be putting the GitHub repository. You will get the exact code of it, so it will be easy for you in all the three parts. So that's going to be awesome too. Okay, just give me a second. Yeah, so right now what we are going to do, we have just created a model, which model is animation string name, string key, and this. Okay, and after that using the model we have creating list of animation data. So basically what we are achieving is animation list, right? List of animation, because we want that scroll in which we can select the animation on the basis of their name and let the character do this, right? So I think it's pretty clear. We first have to get the list, then we have to show the list, and on the click we have to do some action, and we want to recreate this widget. That's our path. So we have our list. If you can't find something like that, use my model, and I will share the GitHub repository. You will get all the animation, all the keys, and all the names in it. Okay, yeah, that's good. If you have too confusing like how we reach this point, go and watch the first part of the video, which will be like posted 4 to 5 days ago, and you'll find it on my YouTube playlist, tips and tricks. Yeah, okay, so moving forward, assuming you have this list and I have created this list, you have to just go to, let's check our widget, right? In our widget we don't have anything regarding animation name, right? As you know, at the time of widget creation I told you to add this animation name parameter, right? Because it will be used in further, as we written, like it will be covered in the last video, third one, which is this one. So how can we use that? So it's very simple over here. Just as you can see, we have a parameter which is animation name in our O3D, and also you just have to put animation name over here. So it's animation name. So we have given the animation name from it to the O3D package. Okay, now we are shifting back to our home screen. Okay, this is our home screen. Let's remove this size box. Let's give him a height. Okay, let's give him a height of I think 24. It's just to give this size. Then I will create an elevated cart. If you don't know, this is like my custom package. It will just have some it is a container with like fix like a design, right? So this is not a big thing, just have to add a container in it. Okay, in the child part, okay, let's make it a sized box because we want to give the size of it, and let's add the list view in it, right? Dot builder, we want to create a list of items. Item builder, you will be creating the context and the index. Okay, and then you have to do the necessary part of this guy, format the document, and you get the expected results. Now in this you have to return element, right? So right now we can return it like just the name, so we can either remove a list style. So let's add the list style to it, and in the title part, text, add the animation data, as we have the animation data model ready, and index, as we have the index with us, and name. So just show the name over here, and that's it. Then there are certain parameters I forgot to fill, because that's why it's showing this error. That are item count. Item counts would be animation data dot length. Okay, and also let's give this size block a height of 200, right? 240. Okay, I forgot to relocate again. I hit the debug just to restart the app. And we are doing this, right? Got the model, got everything. After that, I'm hitting the padding just to make it look more cooler than before. Boom. Now you can see we have our car, right? Let's increase the height too. I think that's gonna be crazy. Yeah, we're almost there. 60. Yeah, this looks pretty good. Like its font is a little bit higher. I'll just add this. Safe area into this, because safe area is nothing but like it resolves like does not go to like this bottom part and the above part, like it prevents from that. So basically that's this. Just reduce this guy's height to 320 so it will look decent. I think 300 works. Right, now it looks good. So now what's left is the on tab functionality. On tab functionality, and boom. In the on tab we just have to do the animation, as we have put this variable in the very top as the animation name. Animation name as the animation data index keys to string, right? To make a string, it's just simple that. And then we have to give again a set state with the recreate widget. Okay, and I think it's pretty much done. Just refreshing the page. Okay, refresh the page. We are still working with the auto rotate and stuff. I think it's working. Now let's make him jump. Hoping for the best, and that guy doesn't jump, bro. It hurts, right? Yeah, so let me check it one more time. Let's go with the menu ideal. We are able to change it, but okay, that's such a it. Add the animation name over here and everything will work. Just restart the app once. Not been initialized. Okay, so you have to put the animation name. Okay, because we didn't initialize it, right? Just add the animation name equals to. We'll just put one random animation name. Go to our animation model. What's ideal, right? Let's start with the ideal part. Okay, I think it's gonna work. Boom. And then restart once. Okay, so yeah, now you can see we don't have any error. It's an ideal position. Now let's jump him. Let's make him jump, right? Yo boy. It's jumping, everything is good. Let's make him run. Yeah, now he's running, bro. Let's make him turn leg left, right? yo, yo. It's very rough. Walk backwards, severe hungry. That's still good. That's the good one, you can see. He can punch too, yo. Yeah, he can punch. He got the punch. He got hungry, ideal. And finally we have something sit transition. Then we have, oh, this one is good. This one the final one. Yeah, this is also good. I think this one will be the final one. Roar. And with that we will be closing this video. I hope you love the content, and it's something unique, it's something great. I'll be adding the GitHub repository in the pinned comment or the description. Be over that, roar with it. Thank you and have a nice day.